just like Mom.
Yellow. Whoop. Emily, look at me. Orange it is.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Oh, oof. I'm okay. Oh, God bless you, Emily. Take this.
Emily, is she sneezing? Let's go check it out. Oh, Emily, are you okay? Why are you sneezing?
Oh no, Emily. Emily's sick.
Oh no, Emily, could you get the medicine box?
Okie dokie.
Oh, Emily, it's okay. It's just a little fever. You'll be okay.
Here is the medicine box.
Oh, thank you, girlfriend. Let me see. Oh no, she has high temperature.
Ooh, no. What to do? Oh my God, no.
Girlfriend, calm down. Don't panic. We have a medicine. If we give that, the temperature will definitely go down. Let's give Emily this medicine.
No, I don't want this. It's bitter. No.
No, sweetie, it's very sweet. Trust me. Have some.
It is sweet. Maybe we give Emily some tea with lemon?
That's a good idea, girlfriend. Tea will make her warm, and lemon is vitamin C. It makes you stronger. Okay, girlfriend. You please stay here and play with Emily, and I'll go to the kitchen.
Emily, don't you worry. You'll get better real soon.
Let's take a kettle. Let's add some water. Let's add some tea. Now we get to add some sugar. Now let's boil the tea. Meanwhile, the tea is getting ready. Let's get our lemon. Make sure we always wash our fruits and vegetables. Now, let's add our lemon juice to our cup. Our tea is ready. Let's give Emily while the tea is warm, and after she drinks this, she'll go to bed. And trust me, she will get better. Let's go. Emily, have some.
tasty.
The temperature has definitely gone down. And now it's time for Emily to sleep. Emily, time for bed. Take plenty of rest, okay? Trust me, tomorrow you will wake up healthy. Sleepy. She is already asleep. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye! Kindergarten!
Uh-oh, Leo, are you sick?
Leo, what happened? Leo, you have high temperature.
I was looking after him.
Good job, Olivia. Jenna, wake up. Girls, I need your help. Olivia, can you go get the medicine kit?
Okay.
Thank you, Olivia. Let's measure his temperature.
Mishka, you're just like a doctor.
I'll get the doctor. Whoa! Magic! Well, let's measure his temperature first. It's very high. Jenna, could you please go get some water for Leo?
Okay.
Well, this is the medicine for Leo so the temperature could go down. Let's take this. Leo, open your mouth.
Doctor, here's the water you asked.
Thank you, Olivia. And Leo, you will get better soon, don't worry. Well, girls, you should wash yourself and play yourself for today.
Okay.
And I will make some lemon tea for Leo. Let's go.
I'm so sad for Leo. Don't worry, he'll get better soon and he'll play with us. Okay, let's play doctor now. I'll go get the toy. Leo, did you eat? Yes. Don't worry. Me and Olivia will bring you something to eat. Kanishka, Leo is hungry.
Oh, just a few minutes, it's ready. Well, meantime, you guys play, and I will make some food and I will give him some lemon tea.
Okay.
What good girls they are, right? They're taking care of their friend. Well, while the tea is boiling, let's make some baby food. All you need is this baby powder. Let's add a little water. Let's give it a mix. Voila, ready.
Okay, I'm the doctor now. Take a deep breath. Well, your lungs are normal. And you need some tablets. Olivia, let's go. Let's take a look at Leo. Okay, coming.
This is for Olivia. And this is for Jenna. And this is for Leo. Oh, good job, kids. Leo is all healthy now. Leo, this is some tea for you. And here is some food as well. Let me feed you.
Tasty, tasty.
Well, girls, your food is in the kitchen. Go have some.
Okie dokie.
Now, Leo, have some tea. Okay, Leo, have some sleep. Take some rest. Okay, let's go check out how the girls are doing. Let's go. Oh, nice! You girls have washed the dishes as well. Good job, ladies. And guess what? Leo will be better by tomorrow. He can play with you. I'm so thankful that the girls helped me so much today. Well, that's all for today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!